Welcome to our channel Parade Guides, a textbook of new science ahead. Class 4, Chapter 13, Air, Water and Weather. Keywords: 1. Weather. 2. Cloud. 3. Breeze. 4. Evaporation. 5. Condensation. 6. Water cycle. 7. Droplets. 8. Hailstones. 9. Snowflakes. 10. Dew. 11. Frost. 12. Fog. 13. Filter. 14. Chlorine. 15. Precious. Looking back, answer the following questions. 1. During which part of the day will water evaporate faster? In the morning or afternoon? Answer. Water will evaporate faster at noon because at noon the sunlight falls directly on the earth. Direct rays heat up the earth maximum, so water evaporates faster. 2. On what kind of day will clothes dry faster? On a sunny day or a cloudy day? Answer. Clothes will dry faster on a sunny day compared to a cloudy day because the sun provides more heat, which increases the rate of evaporation. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Sea breeze is the wind blowing from the sea to the land during the day. 2. Which of these is not a part of the water cycle? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Rainfall. D. Pollution. Answer is D. Pollution. 3. When water vapor condenses to form clouds just above the ground, fog is formed. 4. Which of these is not surface water? A. Sea water. B. River water. C. Oil water. D. Lake water. Answer is C. Oil water. 5. Water in oceans and seas is not fit for drinking because it is salty. B. Match the words in the two columns. Column A, column B. 1. Condensation, the opposite of evaporation. 2. Clouds, millions of tiny water droplets. 3. Snow, water vapor frozen in clouds. 4. Hail, water droplets frozen on their way down. 5. Waterworks, cleaning polluted water. C. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. Direct sunlight heats more than slanting sunlight. Tick. 2. Land cools down slower than water. Cross. 3. Water evaporates only when it is heated. Cross. 4. When clouds become heavy with water droplets, it rains. Tick. 5. Polluted water is harmful to drink. Tick. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Why is it cooler in the evening than in the afternoon? Answer. In the afternoon, the sunlight falls directly on the earth. In the evening, the sun's rays are slanting. Direct rays heat up the earth much more than slanting rays. That is why it is cooler in the evening than in the afternoon. 2. What are these? 1. Land breeze. 2. Evaporation. 3. Dew. 4. Frost. Answer. Land breeze. The breeze which blows from land to sea is called the land breeze. Evaporation, the process by which water or liquid changes into water vapor or gas on heating is called evaporation. Dew, Dew is formed on cold nights when the air near the ground cools down and water vapor in the air condenses to form small droplets of water. Frost. On very cold nights, dew freezes to form ice. This is called frost. 3. Explain what causes the wind to blow. Answer. Sun causes the wind to blow. When sun shines brightly, it heats land as well as the air above the land. Hot air, being lighter than cool air, rises up and cool air rushes to take its place. This causes wind to blow. 4. Why does the wind blow from the sea to the land during the day? Answer. During the day, the land gets heated up faster than water in the sea, and in the air above the land gets warmer and rises up. Cool air blows from the sea to take its place. 5. In your notebook, draw a labeled diagram to show the water cycle. Answer. A detailed diagram depicting the global water cycle is shown in the figure. The direction of movement of water between reservoirs tends towards upward movement through evaporation and downward movement through gravity in form of rain. 6. What causes the water in rivers and lakes to be polluted? Answer. The water in rivers and lakes gets polluted when waste from our houses and factories are allowed to flow into them. Higher order thinking skills. 1. How does the water cycle affect the weather? Answer. When the sun is shining, the water in lakes, ponds, rivers, and oceans evaporate and the water vapor rises up into the atmosphere. Thus clouds form and cool the atmosphere. The clouds cool further and condense into water droplets which come down to the earth as rain. Thus the water cycle affects the weather. 2. Why is the water cycle called a cycle? Answer. The wheels of a cycle circulate repeatedly. Similarly, water circulates repeatedly between the earth and the atmosphere. This constant circulation is therefore called as the water cycle. 3. Above a continent, warm air slowly passes over cold air. As the warm air begins to cool, clouds form. What is most likely to happen next? Answer. When a warm mass of air cools, it forms clouds. When clouds cool further, the tiny water droplets become heavier and bigger and fall to the surface as rain. 4. If there are no water works in a town, is it safe to drink the water available in that town? Why or why not? Answer. In towns, the rivers and other water bodies get polluted by the waste from the factories and houses. Water from the river or lake is pumped into the water works where it is passed through filters to remove dirt. Chlorine is added to kill germs. The clean water is then pumped to our homes as drinking water. So, it is not safe to drink the water if there are no water works in the town.